Alright, today we're going to show you how to change out the idle air control here on Andy's 1986 BMW 635 CSI, or as everybody calls them, the shark nose. Look how beautiful this is. Okay, so Andy's been having a bit of a rough idle, especially on cold start, and a lot of that is controlled by the idle air control valve. As you know, the mass airflow sensor doesn't do anything until we're in closed loop, so our idle air control right here has been our culprit, which is an easy change, not too hard. Before we get to that, a little backstory on this car. When Andy first bought it, it was kind of warm here, it was in the summer. He had issues with it not staying cool, and part of the problem is it came with no fan shroud from wherever it was purchased from. So we got him a fan shroud, I put a new clutch in, and nice and cool, even in the summertime with the air on. It never gets up past 2/3, and well, living here, you know, 110 plus for months on end. Any car that runs on the temp gauge 2/3 or below is just fine. So anyway, our idle air control, it's pretty straightforward. You know, it basically just pushes in here, has an electrical connector back here, and then it has one other hose here with a clamp. So we'll show you how to change that out. The idle air control is also retained and supported by this little bracket here. So we will be undoing this valve cover bolt slash nut. It's actually a nut on a stud. Undoing this hose clamp, and like I said, disconnecting this, which we'll do first thing. Okay, step one done. All right, so our hose clamp, it's a 6mm on the head. We're just gonna loosen her up a little bit. Get that situated nice and free. There we go, we're nice and free. Now we're gonna undo this with our 10mm. Doing all this left-handed to help steady the camera, so bear with me. That is off. And now we work it. Wiggles out there. Comes off the stud here. And we wiggle her out of the hose carefully. That is the feed hose. We don't want any. There it goes. Okay, there's our original idle air control. Still on the bracket. We need to undo this right here. Then we can pop that rubber out of the bracket and swap the unit out. All right, that's all separated. We're gonna slide that off. Right there. All right, now we're all apart. Got our rubber off of our old one. We can now get rid of the old one. Bye-bye. We slide our rubber onto our new one. And then we mount it right there. We're all assembled. Back to the car we go. Add cheesy sound effects. That goes in there like so. And then we will put our bracket where it goes. Switch hands here. Come on, baby. There we go. Then we just slide our other hose up and clamp it. We'll hook up our connector. like that. Put our nut on. Tighten that back up. Okay. And we will put our hose on and button it up. Bolt it down. In where we need to be here. Connector's connected. Hose clamp down low is tight. You can see it right there. All right, we're gonna fire this baby up. We are ready to fire up the BMW. Key is in. Key is on. Bam! Nice cold start.